Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Brother MFC-J1010DW printer to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your printer is powered on and your wireless router is active, broadcasting a strong signal. Position your printer within a reasonable distance, perhaps within 10 to 15 feet, of your router for optimal connection stability. This initial check helps prevent common setup issues before we dive into the network configuration. Next, we'll use the printer's control panel. Navigate to the network or Wi-Fi settings on your printer's LCD screen. From there, select the Setup Wizard or WLAN Setup option. This will guide you through finding available networks. Choose your specific wireless network, also known as the SSID, from the list displayed on the screen to proceed with the connection. Now, it's time to enter your network's password. Carefully input your Wi-Fi network security key using the printer's keypad. It's crucial to double-check the password for accuracy, paying close attention to any capitalization or special characters. A single incorrect character can prevent a successful connection. Once entered, confirm the details to initiate the connection process with your router. Finally, verify your connection. Wait for your Brother printer to display a connected or connection OK message on its screen, indicating a successful link. To confirm everything is working, print a test page directly from your computer or mobile device. For full functionality, remember to install the latest drivers and software on your computer, ensuring seamless wireless printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.